Hi, I'm about to start working on my furnace. I have a little bit of a noise here with the inducer motor. When it starts up, it's pretty quiet doing that, but when it starts up, there's a vibration. What I got here, I'll try to zoom in and show you, is a 58 UHV 100 furnace. It's a Carrier. It's about 15 years old right now. And so what I have to do is I'm going to take out 3 screws. So one right down in here, one out there, and one in there. I'm going to remove the whole assembly. I purchased parts. Unfortunately, I couldn't purchase the whole assembly itself, so I purchased a new one of these black things, a new motor on the inside, the new cage. From what I hear, that's going to be a tough time getting that off. We'll see. It also comes with gaskets. I'll show you everything that I purchased when I get out in my garage. And so I'm going to start by taking out these are all 1/4 inch socket screws. I'm going to start by taking those out. And so one thing I have done is I have turned off the gas over here. The main power is off by a switch that's located behind me. I'm going to disconnect the pin here. Should just be a little tab. Just disconnect it. So that disconnects that. There is a ground wire connected here, but since I'm pulling the whole assembly out, that won't be an issue. Hey, here's a look at the thing. So the problem with this is inside here, because it does get so hot. That Allen screw in there might give me issues. Here I got my new pieces. There's a new gasket, a new I think these are gaskets for inside here, inside the housing. If you can see right in there, it's going to go in there. So a little noise damper, we'll put that in there. This is the new outer wheel inducer fan kit. It's the wheel. It's going to replace this black piece there. Our new motor, and then the new cage. That looks nice and clean and not rusted out like this one. This one I did take the some WD-40 and sprayed it on that. And that's going to be the hard part for me, so I'm going to work on that. Hopefully I don't have to drill that bugger out. I might have to ruin this fan. If I could save... There we go, she's out. Okay. Again, that was a 1/8 ounce wrench. Just going to get my next thing. Will it come off? There, and it did. That's so awesome. 3 screws here have to come off. That removes this back plate from there, and then I can get at the motor mount screws, which are on the back. So there are washers that I'm not sure if they're... I'll take that. I'll just scrub that down and clean that up. There's the that piece there. In really good shape, but we'll replace it. So now there's 2 screws here, and then 2 more 1/4 inch. That's going to totally remove my motor. That might be a source of my noise too, is that now that I see that, it's a little bit voila. Hey, so that, yeah, so you can see that there's cracks in there now that I do that. It's hard. Some 3M Scotch stuff here. This is a little bit different, this new one. See, the ground on the old one is there, and ground on this one is on this side, so it's a little bit different. So I'm going to have to mount this a little bit different. I don't think it's a big deal. Won't be a big deal for the grounding clip. I'll just put that on a different screw. It's all metal to metal. Might make a difference for reattaching this guy. But basically the only way I can do this right now. Now we're going to mount this guy on. There's a flat part there which goes over the Allen screw. So on that goes. Now take that same Allen screw. This there actually is a access hole here, which is nice. I can actually get in there. Get in there with my Allen key. Snug that up. Like that. Okay. Well, this guy is just a little. Something like that. Yeah. Retain and clip out now. There we go. That's awesome. That's super quiet now. Wow. So the other thing it's going to do, I always carry a spare heat sensor, so it's down in there. I always keep a spare one of those. So that'll go on you when it's minus 30 on a Sunday night. And the other thing I keep here is a hot surface igniter. You can see the igniter starting to glow in there. Gas should be coming on. Might take a bit. There we go. Gas is on. Okay. So I think we got her. I'm happy. We're gonna